everyone, Brooklyn Wasser with Factory Direct Marine and RV. Today we're going to be talking about the Lexington 321 fish model. This pontoon is the best of both worlds, a fisherman's dream and value. You have your upgraded swivel chairs, your Fusion trolling motor, and you also have this beautiful entertainment table with plenty of cup holders. Some other great fishing features are going to be your rod holders equipped on both sides. Also, you've got this gorgeous seat here, but it also functions as your aerated live well. Another great feature is that you don't have to worry about cup holders. There are plenty. As well, you have plenty of storage. In the back of the boat, you can see that there's plenty of additional seating. As well, you have access to your battery and a 70-quart cooler. This unit comes standard with a 90 horsepower Suzuki motor. With your 3-in-3, you get 6 years worth of warranty. We've got a beautiful ski bar attached to this unit, and you have a gorgeous swim ladder. One of the other great features of this pontoon is your bimini top with a black canvas. As you can see here, you have your beautiful console with illuminated buttons and gauges. We also have the Humminbird Helix 5 GPS. This boat is Coast Guard rated for 11 people, which is great for this size. So come out and test drive it on our beautiful pond today at Factory Direct Marine and RV, 401 Sycamore Drive, Ridgeland, South Carolina, 29936. Or you may give us a call at 843-717-9538 or visit us on the web at www.factorydirectmarine.com.